Alrighty, everybody. Now that we've got our ingredients into our pan here, I am just going to get these well combined and mixed together. We've got 1 stick of butter. We've got about a 3/4 cup of peanut butter, 1 bag of miniature marshmallows, and about 1 cup of brown sugar, light. Alrighty, now that this is looking nice and combined, I'm actually going to turn our heat all the way off. Place my spatula there for just a second. We are just going to add in some pure vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. That looks good. Go ahead and get that incorporated with our delicious peanut butter marshmallow mixture. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And now it's time for the main ingredient. We've got our Doritos nacho cheese chips. And I am gonna just smush these up. We're gonna open it real quick so then it's easier to just break up into small pieces. And this is gonna be such a yummy combination with the nacho cheese and marshmallows and peanut butter. Yum! Look at that. We're gonna stir these in, get them all nice and combined. Alrighty, let's get this to the counter. Alrighty, y'all. We've got our silicone jack-o'-lantern mold here. And this is gonna go so well with the orange of the Doritos. I'm just pouring that right on in there. And then we are going to just spread, spread, spread. Perfect. This is looking so good. We're not done yet, but we are 1 step closer. All right, guys, I'm gonna pop this in my freezer to harden. Our jack-o'-lantern is almost done. I've just got a measuring cup here. I'm gonna put some of my mini semi-sweet chocolate morsels in here. That looks good. Just about 1/2 cup, you know? And we're gonna pop in some butter and we're gonna get these melted. Alrighty, as promised, our little jack-o'-lantern face here. I'm just gonna put it onto a plate. It's gonna be so cute. I'm really, really excited for the sweetness, the cheesiness. I think you guys are gonna love this. This was inspired by the popcorn that is caramel and cheddar. It was on Oprah's favorite list of things. Look at that. Doesn't that look gorgeous? And I'm just gonna take some of this melted chocolate. Whoop, I was hoping it was gonna be a little bit more liquidy, but that's okay. We're gonna pop that right into the little eyeballs here. I just melted this with butter because I didn't have any of the melting wafers, but if you got melting wafers, those might work great. This is more like a ganache. Just trying to do not too much into that nose. Oh, well, we changed the look of him a little bit, but you know, he's an LA pumpkin. He's had a little work done. All right, moment of truth. We're just gonna slice into our sweet and cheesy treat here. Look at that. Ooh, the texture of these Doritos in with our caramel marshmallowy goodness. Oh my God. This is so good. Y'all, you gotta try it.